Bonjour à tous! You're looking for some ideas for dinner tonight? You want to try something different? Why not French food? Well, you're at the right place because here I'm going to share with you some simple family-style French cuisine. And today we are preparing one of the most famous French dessert, super easy to make, the clafoutis. Bonjour, my name is Thomas. I was born and raised in France. On this channel, I'm going to share with you everything my mom and my grandmas taught me in their kitchens all these years. Good, simple, family-style French cuisine. Hope you enjoy. Et voilà, everything you need to make the French clafoutis. Well, very simple ingredients as a matter of fact. You have flour here, all-purpose flour is just fine. You will need half a cup, 4 eggs, maybe 5 if you want to make it even better. Milk, I'm using here whole milk in 1 cup. Sugar, half a cup. For those who really like sweet food, I would go for 1 cup. And this one here is actually a tray from my grandma. It's heavy cream. It's gonna make this whole thing so much better. And I have 2 pounds of apples here. Well, traditionally, the clafoutis is made with cherry. It's not the season yet, so I'm gonna use apples. It's equally good, I can promise you that. So 2 pounds of golden apples. This will be perfect. So here you go. Let's get to it. And so the first thing I did was actually to peel and dice the apples, so they're ready to be used later on. But the first thing we got to do is start mixing the flour with the eggs and a little bit of the milk. I'm going to use one of those bowls. We said the flour is in. Let's take care of the eggs. Just one. So you'll see it very similar to a recipe for crepes. 3, 4. I'm being a bit generous here. 5. We're going to start mixing so these eggs with the flour. So now I'm going to use the whisk to make it more homogeneous. Alright, here it is. We'll add a little bit of the milk. I'm going to use half of it for now. Oops. Looking nice, and my grandma's cream. Oh, look at that. I think at this stage we can really add the rest of the milk. And we can start adding the sugar slowly into the mix. Whoops. Done. And this is all you've got to do, pretty much. So now we have everything ready to be cooked, as a matter of fact. So we have our batter here, the apples in small dice, and everything is ready to be poured into this baking dish. The one thing don't forget you have to do is turn your oven on. 350 Fahrenheit would be the ideal temperature. First thing we got to do here is to put a little bit of butter at the bottom of that dish, and that's what we're going to do now. Done. All right. So now we're going to put the apples at the bottom of the dish. Make sure you spread them quite evenly. And here they are. And the batter. All set. Ready for the oven. Here we go. 350 degrees. It's gonna stay here 45 minutes. Let's ask for the help of Alexa. Alexa, set up a timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
Perfect. See you in a bit. It's looking great. It's all puffed and brown, nice golden color. It's ready to be taken out of the oven. Et voilà les amis, another very simple French recipe. I would recommend you let this clafoutis cool down a few minutes before enjoying it. And please, if you do enjoy it, let me know in the comments below. And one last thing, please subscribe if you want more of this simple family-style French cuisine. And if you want to see a specific recipe, just let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, à très bientôt. Au revoir.